goes.
Oh my gosh.
And it's out.
I can't believe she opened her mouth for them. Look. Look. Do you know what your tongue's doing? No, not your hands. Look. Okay. And...
Are you too young? Are you too little?
Look. I think she's not ready yet.
And what are you doing? What's in my mouth?
You're supposed to keep it in your mouth. Push your tongue back. Push your tongue back. No, Debs. You gotta push your tongue back, okay? Look. Woo.
Here comes the airplane. Look at that. Eh? Eh?
We'll just keep trying, even though you're not getting anything. You like the spoon, huh? Whoa, spoon here. Open. Good girl. At least you know how to open, huh? Got cookies?
And she spits it out. He spit it out.
What makes me glad that she likes the spoon at least.
Yeah.
And she opens. Look. Look. Ow. Tacky.
Good look at the camera there, baby. And...
Oh. Not the him. Look. Wow. Yummy.
Did you eat it? Did you eat it?
Yuck.
Ow.
Go get the camera, Cam.